Monitoring system functions. Performance management functions. In this section, we introduce the performance management function. First, consider report management. Users can create reports according to business requirements and quickly query the report data. If a user creates a report task and sets its parameters, the monitoring system can automatically generate the report and send it by email. The report task template also allows setting of execution report frequency. If there is no report type required by users in the report list, it also supports creating a customized report. The execution cycle can be set to hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. The date and time of report task execution can also be set. Of course, users can modify existing report attributes and quickly create reports satisfying their business needs. It also allows users to store and export report information when searching for report data, facilitating searching and browsing. After generating reports according to the report tasks, users can view the reports to improve system management. Meanwhile, in the report viewing interface, task reports can be deleted, exported, or sent by email. Next, let's talk about energy efficiency management. The Energy Efficiency Management page allows users to see the current power usage effectiveness (PUE) state, PUE trend diagram, energy consumption of each sub-management domain, and power consumption statistics of each subsystem. The PUE is the ratio of total power consumption of the management domain to IT power. The DCIE value is the reciprocal of the PUE. The PUE chart shows PUE's trend over time. The power consumption histogram of sub-management domain shows the domain's power consumption, such as for a computer room or modularization. For each subsystem in the management domain, the power consumption curve shows the trend over time. Also, historical energy efficiency data can be queried based on time and statistics type. Meanwhile, we can also generate statistics and map electricity prices according to price strategy. In the Energy Efficiency Configuration page, you can create, modify, delete, and view the electricity price strategy. You can also configure the electricity price unit and view current configuration and PUE alarm threshold setting. It also provides the PUE index and queries cabinet power. The allocation of electricity price allows users to create, delete, modify, and view tariff strategies. That's all for this section. Thank you.